And so, dumating yung in-order ko na Poco M3. It's the latest mid-range cellphone from Poco phone. And this is, I think, sabi nila yung last Xiaomi Poco collaboration. And titignan natin, in-order ko sa Lazada noong November 27 during the Black Friday sale. So, it took around 10 days. Pero sakto naman kasi sabi nila sa shipping, December 7. We get it from December 7 or between December 7 to December 22. So, tignan natin. So, hopefully, kanina nakita ko merong nag-unbox nito, deliver sa kanya nung courier. Tapos, walang laman. Pero mabigat-bigat naman siya. So, hopefully, hindi siya bato or hindi siya walang laman. So, tignan natin. Medyo ka nakabahan din ako. Ayan. Baliktad yata yung nakabukas sa ilalim. Okay. So, ito yung salit naman yung warranty card niya. And, sealed naman siya na dumating. So, yan. Bubuksan natin siya. So, hopefully, but I don't think so kasi parang sealed naman eh. Sealed all over. Because I don't think it has been tampered with. So, let's see. Six thousand mAh. So, open natin. Diba? So, phone naman siya. Ayan. So, ako ay team blue ng Poco. Ayan. So, anong laman nito? Tingnan natin. So, andyan yung SIM ejector. Nandito yung free na case, na jelly cases. Yung manuals. So, we can close this one. Ayan, sa box. Tapos, so aside from that, nandito naman yung charger, yung, at walang earphones, diba? So, tignan natin kung makakahingi tayo sa Xiaomi ng free na earphones, kasi yung iba meron. So, ako wala. Tignan natin. And let's try to turn it on to see kung so pag binuksan ko siya, bukas na siya. Tinanggal natin siya sa plastic. Okay. So, ito siya. Ayan. So, meron siyang parang, if you can see, parang plastic protective film. Ayan, sa paligid ng phone. Parang there's a plastic protective film. It doesn't come with a tempered glass. Siguro bibili ka na lang online pa din. Pero yun, meron siyang libreng jelly case. So, tingnan natin. We're gonna try and turn it on. Ayaw niya mag-turn on. Ayun na. So, okay naman siya. We'll set it up. Show you the setup in a bit. Tapos, let's proceed with our first impressions of the Poco M3. Poco M3 phone. Part 2 tayo. So, inopen na natin siya. Inopen natin yung box na. Fortunately, hindi pa to yung laman or walang laman kasi nagkaroon ng, may nag-upload ng video na deliver ng phone sa kanya, tapos wala nang laman. So, yung box unsealed na. So, nakita naman natin, nakaseal siya nung dumating sa atin, tapos, tinanggal natin yung cellphone niya naman. So, set up natin siya. If you would check the videos that I have, meron akong Nokia cellphone na ni-review just a few weeks back. So, ito, i-open natin siya. Ayan. So, i-set up natin. So, choose language. So, English naman, diba? So, parang weird siya kabaliktad din. So, Philippines, mali ako. And then next, terms and conditions. So, nandyan siya. You click on, I've read the user agreement. Tapos, click on next or just right arrow. Tapos, insert SIM card. So, kasi wala yata ako SIM card. Or, so later na tayo mag-insert ng SIM card. Let's just go ahead. Add network. So, mag-scan na lang tayo. So, so makikita nyo na ang aking internet ay converge na medyo nakikipag kompetensya ngayon sa ibang ISP sa papagalan. So, yeah. So, hopefully, so pareho siya ng Nokia. If you would notice, nag-check din siya for updates before the setup. Unlike before na lahat ng phones or probably last year ako huling bumili ng bagong phone. Hindi naman siya nag-check for updates. So, so let's see kung gaano katagal. So actually parang medyo malilim siya. I'm not sure how to adjust the brightness, pero siguro mamaya. So next lang tayo. I don't need to copy anything. So if you can see, diba, you can bring your data from an Android phone or from Google Drive or from an iPhone 8 or an iPhone device. Kita nyo naman dyan. So don't copy. Then sa baba, hindi ko pinopya. So check yung info siya ulit. I just feel that it's a bit dark yung phone. Hindi ako sure, pero let's go ahead and try logging in. I'll log in my email. Wait lang. So, ayan. So, we're logging in. So, they're getting the account info. So, hintayin natin. So, ayun. Nakapasok na ako sa Google Services. Let's go ahead. Keep going tayo. Continue. And then, ayan. New way to talk to Google. So, andyan yung standard Google services na nakalagay sa phone. So, I don't need any of this. So, magtanong things na lang muna ako. So, we can proceed and see the UI. Next lang tayo. Access with OK Google. So, skip lang muna natin to. Anything else? Add another email account? No thanks. So, let's go ahead. sign in with, um, so, sign in tayo dun. So, you can skip that part. So, let's skip that. Skip. Kasi I don't have set password or only skin lock. I'll skip this step muna. Kasi we're setting everything up. So, additional settings, location, user experience, diagnostic data, automatic system updates, and personalized ads. So, yung personalized ads, in-off ko yan talaga. Kasi, who wants ads? So, you can choose a theme. It's the classic or the limitless theme. So, medyo yung classic, yung medyo dark. It reminds me of, parang yung Samsung Note 4 na background. But, so let's just go ahead with the classic. Ayan. So, okay naman siya. Let's go ahead. And then setup is complete. So, what's good about this is setup was able to, we were able to set up the phone in like 5 minutes. So, naglo-load yung apps. So, actually, tingnan natin kung 5 minutes na. Kasi from the time that we turned on the phone, hanggang mag-load yung app. So, again, one of the things that's outstanding with the phone, parang feeling ko dark siya masyado. So, I don't see the menu yet. I don't see where to adjust the brightness yet. So, siguro once the setup is complete, or once the apps have been loaded, we'll see. So, I also read online na may bloatware, may Lazada na siya nakasama, and there is a way to remove them. But as of now, we're gonna go with the first impressions of the setup. Ito muna siya. So I'm gonna be using, as usual, I'm gonna be using this phone for about a week. Isang outstanding issue dito sa Poco M3 na lagi kong nababasa is yung sinasabi nila na walang HFR for Mobile Legends na games, yung mga naglalaro ng HFR, ng Mobile Legends. So, we're gonna take a look at how that affects the gameplay, the game experience. Hindi ako gamer by all means. I just play the game. I'm a casual gamer. So, we're gonna be, what I got is the 4 gig variant, 4 gig 128, 4 of 128 variant. My current phone is 6 gig 128 gig, 6 of 128. I play Ragnarok here, Mobile Legends din ako dito. I have a lot of other games but I'm just a casual gamer. So, hindi ako talaga hardcore gamer. I just use it to pass time, ganyan. So, yun na. Nag-load na siya. So, I think, yeah, it's less than, I think around 7 minutes from the time that we started the setup. So, that's good. So, we can adjust the brightness here. So, ayan na siya. So, it's automatically, it's still completing setup. It's installing a couple of applications. So, it's updating the Google Play Store, ganyan. Ayan, kita na dyan. So, tingnan natin ano yung current na apps na nandito. So, swipe right twice in the app drawer to view hidden app icons. So, okay. So, makikita mo, you have a game pre-installed. You have booking.com, you have amazon.com, you have WPS installed, meron ng game style fun, may bubble shoot siguro to. It has a couple of, it has a couple of games already, if you would see. Ayan. So, those I consider bloatware. So, ayan, may Lazada. You can see yun yung Lazada. May LinkedIn. May Netflix na din pre-installed. May tile fun na game. So, I would consider this as bloatware kasi it comes pre-installed with the phone. If you, like I said, if you would go back to the Nokia phone that I had reviewed a couple of weeks back, it's stock Android, so walang bloatware. So that's what I like about it. Although the setup took quite a while for some reason, and it's also 3 gig only. I think 3 of 64 naman yun. Walang bloatware. So you don't really have to worry about anything that you don't want to use, pero you're stuck using it, or you're stuck having it in your phone kasi it comes pre-installed with your phone. So I'm gonna be installing a couple of games here. Tapos I'll let you guys know. I'll be playing with I'll be playing on this phone. I'll be using it as my primary driver for the next week para makita natin how it goes. So it's the usual naman na Android. So battery level is at 52. So tignan natin, 6,000 mAh. Let's see how long I should be able to use this. I'll be installing my Facebook, but it doesn't have Messenger, I think. I'll be installing all the stuff today. Tapos I'll be using the phone. This will be my primary driver for the next week. So again, if anyone's interested, this is the charger that comes with the phone. Ayan siya. So ito, this is the charger that comes with the phone. It's 18 watts, I believe. Tapos you have a jelly case. Sabi nila, mahirap tanggalin. Tapos, and then of course, its SIM ejector is here. Ayan yung SIM ejector. Hindi ako sure kung kakabit ko to. Pero, sabi nila kasi mahirap tanggalin. So, let's see. I like how it looks. Pero gusto ko sana yung yellow. Pero, kasi I ordered way ahead. Parang mahirap na siya tanggalin to. Pero this is how it looks. I'll let you guys know kung paano how it performs. Like I said, we're gonna be playing a couple of games here. I personally play Ragnarok, pero nag-stop ako. Pero I'll be loading Ragnarok here to see kung ubra ba siya. And then I'll let you know how it performs. So madaming issue that I've been reading online about this. Yung front camera, they were saying that the front cam isn't as clear. So ito yung back camera. Ayan. So yan yung back camera, portrait mode. Ito. We have other settings here. May night mode, may short video. You can shoot documents, may panorama, may time lapse. I'll be using everything. Probably tomorrow I'll be shooting this. I'll be using this to shoot a couple of photos. Pero in my opinion, parang okay naman yung back cam niya. Yung front cam, I think it's also clear. Pero that's what we have to see. I'll let you know. I'll be using the phone primarily for 1 week, and then I'll give you a feedback. Thank you, everyone.